Today I'm going to show you a really efficient way of working in Procreate using the easy to use quick menu. The quick menu is my favorite feature in Procreate and the best way to speed up your process and do more art by setting up your quick menu with brushes you consistently use. You can set up your menu with a gesture of your choosing here. The quick menu allows you 6 brushes in each set. Most artists use 2 to 3 brushes with the occasional texture and miscellaneous brushes. Knowing this, I suggest every artist have their very own master brush set. This master brush set of yours should always have at least one hard brush, one soft brush, your fave line brush, a brush between soft and hard edges, and 2 of your favorite texture brushes. That should be your main brush set that you always usually use. And then you can choose different sets like a texture set, watercolor, concept, and painting set for when you want to experiment or as a backup set. I myself have a portrait set. I do a lot of portraits, so I have my fave brushes that I use for them. Sometimes I want a painterly look, so I have my fave painterly brush set. Having brush sets that you'll use every now and then, as well as your all-around master brush set, will no doubt speed up your process. And you can make several different brush sets to scroll through at any time. This will keep you from having to go back and forth all the time in your recent folder and brush sets up top. That just takes too much good art creation time. Now, how to use the quick menu: you're going to go to actions menu, go down to gesture controls, go to quick menu, and choose which option you'll use to bring up your menu. I chose the 4-finger tap option so I can bring up my menu immediately. Hit done. I'm going to show you how to add your brushes to your menu. Bring up your brushes using your gesture you picked, hit the middle button, hit the plus sign to add a new quick menu, scroll up and choose the top option. Select and hold to scroll down to select brush and choose which brushes you'll use, and repeat until you're done with your quick menu list. That's all I have for you today. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more. See ya.